Hello students, in previous video we completed Yule's coefficient of association, okay, of unit 2 become semester 5. Right now we are going to take some extraordinary sum of Yule's method, and then by we will take short sum of this chapter. This is our first question. 800 students appeared in an examination, means n equal to 800. Boys outnumbered girls by 15% of all students. This is important point. Okay. Number of passed students exceeded the number of failed students by 480. Okay, one more information is given here. Number of passed student exceeded the number of failed student by 480. Equal number of boys and girls are failed in examination, representing the given information in a table. Find Yule's coefficient of association. Okay, so first see how many attributes are given here. First number boys, girls, and by pass and fail. Pass and fail. Okay, so we are taking A equal to boys, therefore alpha equal to girls, pass equals to B, then fail equals to beta. Okay, now we are going to solve this sum. Okay, in solution, first of all we have to suppose A is equals to boys, alpha equal to opposite of boys means girls, B is equals to pass in examination, and beta equals to fail in examination. Okay, now read one by one. First, total number of students means n is equals to 800, but remember that n equals to what? Therefore we can write A plus alpha is equals to 800, as well as sorry, not 80, B plus beta is equals to also 800. Chalo, બંને 800 થાય because n is equals to total of A alpha and total of B beta. Okay, now next thing. चलो complete થતું જાય એટલું remove કરતા જઈએ. Boys means A. This is our first point. Now second point. Boys means A. પહેલા rough calculation કરી. Outnumbered girls by 15% of all students. Outnumbered means વધારે. બરાબર છે? Girls equal to alpha. How many percent? 15% of all students. ચાલો તો આપણું equation શું બને? Boys A equal to alpha plus outnumbered means વધારે. 15% of all student. 15% of all student means what? 15% of 800. 800 into 15 divided by 100. 0 cancel out. Therefore, we can write A is equals to alpha plus 120. 15 8s are 120. Okay, so can I write A minus alpha is equals to 120? Okay, state this equation as equation number 1. Actually આ છે પણ એની નંબર નથી આપતા. ચાલો તો A minus alpha equal to 120. આના ઉપરથી આપણે A alpha ની વેલ્યુ મેળવી શકશું. બટ એક સાથે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરીએ. ચાલો આ પોઈન્ટ કમ્પ્લીટ. નંબર ઓફ નેક્સ્ટ પોઈન્ટ, number of passed student, passed means B, exceeded the number of failed student by 480, means B plus B equal to beta plus 480. તો second equation શું બનશે આપણું? number of passed students exceeded એટલે વધારે, number of failed student by 480. Okay. Therefore, चलो आप पॉइंट कंप्लीट થઈ ગયો એટલે રફ કરી નાખીએ ને. Therefore, b minus beta is equals to what? 480. State this equation as equation number 2. Okay. Now, equal number of boys and girls are failed in examination. Equal number of boys and girls. चलो, तो boys and girls, equal number of boys and girls are failed in examination. આનો યુઝ આપણે પછી કરીએ છીએ કારણ કે આપણી પાસે નંબર અત્યારે નથી એટલે. ચલો તો 1 by 1 અને 2 નો યુઝ કરીએ. Okay, next calculation. Equation number 1. A, okay. અહીંથી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. A plus alpha equal to 800. A plus alpha equal to 800. Okay, because it is n. And A minus alpha equal to equal to 120. Okay, now changing the sign, alpha cancel out, so 2a is equals to 920. Therefore a is equals to what? 920 divided by 2. આપણે બધું નથી કરતા, સીધું 920 divided by 2, 460. So a is equals to 460. Okay, a equal to 460. Alpha equal to કેટલા થાય? તો કે a plus alpha 800 હોય, a ની વેલ્યુ આવી ગઈ 460, તો alpha કેટલા થાય? આપણે લખવાનું therefore alpha equal to ડાયરેક્ટ કરતે 800 minus 460. Therefore alpha is equals to 800 minus तो 340. Alpha is 340. Okay. Now we get values of A and alpha. A equal to what? Number of boys. Alpha equal to number of girls. Okay. Now next point. B plus beta. B plus beta equals to also 800. And here we find an equation B minus beta. Second equation B minus beta is equals to what? 480. Okay, again solve these equations using elimination method. 2b is equals to 1280. Therefore b is equals to what? 1280 divided by 2 is equals to 640. Means number of past student is equals to 640. Therefore beta equal to what? Total number of students 800 minus past 640. Therefore number of failed student beta is equals to 160. થશે આપણે ચેક કરી લઈએ. 800 minus 640 is equals to 160. Okay, now we get value of A, alpha, B and beta. Now see our point. Equal number of boys and girls are failed in examination. તો હજી આપણે એનું કંઈ કરી શકીએ એમ નથી, અથવા તો થઈ શકે પણ અત્યારે નથી કરવું. આપણે ટેબલ પ્રિપેર કરીએ અને એમાં જ એની કેલ્ક્યુલેશન દેખાડશે. Okay, so here is our table. Here we have to write A, alpha, B and beta, and total of both sides. A is equals to boys, girls equal to alpha, B equal to past candidates. Therefore beta is equals to failed candidates. Okay, now prepare our table. First of all, n is equals to what? 800. Total number of students 800. See here, alpha is 340 and beta is 160. Okay, A is 460 and B is also 640, not 460, 640. Okay, ચલો હવે આપણે આનો યુઝ કરશું કે equal number of boys and girls are failed in examination. તો કે fail in examination is 160. Fail in examination is 160. equal number of boys and girls are failed. તો 160 છે ને હાફ કરો તો કેટલા થશે તો કે 80 boys and 80 girls are failed in examination. Okay. Now find remaining cells. 460 minus 80. 380 અહીંયા આપણે total put કરશું 380. Okay. Now 380 minus 640 260 and 260 plus 80 check કરી લ્યો 260 80 is equals to 340. Okay. ચાલો તો ટેબલ આપણને બરાબર મળી ગયું. Now find out Q. Q coefficient of association. Q is equals to our formula A alpha into AB into alpha beta minus A beta into alpha B divided by AB into alpha beta plus A beta into alpha B. Okay. ચાલો તો આપણે તો આમ ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન જ કરતા એટલે સીધી અમાઉન્ટ મૂકો 380 multiplied by 80 minus ચાલો આ બાજુ ક્રોસ એટલે 80 into 260 sorry divided by same amount with opposite sign 380 into 80 plus 80 into 260. Okay. Now it is equals to 380 multiplied by 80. 30400. 30400 minus 80 into 260. 20800. 20800 divided by 30400 plus 20800 equals to minus 30400 9600 divided by total 30400 plus 20800 equal to 51200. 0 cancel out. So 96 divided by 512 0.19. 0.19 is our answer. Q equals to 0.19. Okay. Okay, our next and last topic of this chapter is coefficient of colligation. Actually, it is not a part of our syllabus, but we are taking in our study. Okay. Coefficient of colligation is denoted by gamma. Okay, there are 1, 2 and 3 formulas of finding coefficient of colligation. First one is very difficult, second one easy. We can find Q from colligation, coefficient of colligation. If coefficient of colligation is given, we can find Q by using this method. Okay. Or these two formulas, actually it is only one formula, gamma is equals to 1 by 2 Q. તો 2 ને અહીંયા મૂવ કરજો તો શું થશે Q equal to 2 gamma. તો આપણે હંમેશા આ ફોર્મ્યુલાનો યુઝ કરશું 1 by 2 Q, gamma equal to 1 by 2 Q or Q equals to 2 gamma. Okay. એટલે તમને ક્વેશ્ચનમાં એમ પૂછે find coefficient of colligation. તો આપણે don't worry, શું કરવાનું first find out Q. Okay, first find out Q, then by find gamma. Always gamma is half of Q. Q no answer 0.30 આવ્યો તો gamma શું આવે 0.15 આવે. Q equal to 20, then gamma is equals to 0.10. Okay. Okay, our first sum of coefficient of colligation is find coefficient of colligation N is equals to 400 d alpha. Okay, we already prepared our table here. First write down A here. A alpha B beta and total. Okay, putting the values n is equals to 400, b is equals to 250, alpha is equals to 100, and alpha beta is equals to 70. Okay, chalo to table prepare kariye. So here we have to put 300. Okay, 30 plus 70 equal to 100. Here 220 plus 30 equal to 250, and here we have to put 80. 80 plus 220 is equals to 300, and 80 plus 70 equal to 150. 150 plus 250 equal to 400. Okay, in order to find q gamma, first we need value of q. So first find out coefficient of association first. Okay, q equals to, બાકી ડાયરેક્ટ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે બટ ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી ડિફિકલ્ટ, તો આપણે q થી જ કરીએ જેથી શું થાય આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેશનમાં પ્રોબ્લેમ ન થાય. q is equals to ab into alpha beta minus a beta into alpha b divided by ab into alpha beta plus a beta into alpha a equals to, chalo cross multiplication, 220 multiplied by 70 minus 80 into 30 divided by 220 into 70 plus 80 into 30. Okay, now it is equals to 220 multiplied by 70, 15400, 15400 minus 2400 divided by 15,400 plus 2400. Okay, now 15,400 minus 2,400, it gives us 13,000. 13,000 divided by 15,400 is 17,800. Okay, so Q is equals to 13,000 divided by 17800, 0.73. 0.73. Okay, after finding Q, find out coefficient of colligation. So wait, coefficient of colligation, what is formula? Gamma is equals to 1 by 2 of Q. Okay, so 1 of into Q we find here 0.73. 0.73. Okay, so 73 multiplied by 0.73, sorry, divided by 2, 0.365, approximately it is 0.37. So this is our answer. Okay, તો આપણને ગામા ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કે તો શું કરવાનું, પહેલા ક્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું, એટલે આપણો આખો નવો ટોપિક જ નો રહે, આની અંદર જ બધું કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ જાય. ઓકે, well our next question is, if q equal to minus 0.26, then find out coefficient of colligation. Very easy. Okay, હમણાં આપણે સોલ્વ કર્યું કે what is formula of gamma? Gamma is equals to 1 by 2 of q is equals to 1 by 2 of minus 0.26. Okay, divide minus 0.26 by 2, we will get minus 0.13. Okay, ચાલો હવે એક આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન એડિશનલ આવી રીતે સોલ્વ કરીએ. If gamma is equals to 0.24, find value of q. Okay, so same formula, but શું થઈ જશે, q is equals to 2 gamma. 2 ને મૂવ કરી દો તો શું, q is equals to 2 gamma. So 2 multiplied by 0.24, 2 multiplied by 0.24, our answer is 0.48. Okay, so here we complete our unit number 2, association of attributes, and I hope કે તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે.